gentlemen, we built this stud wall or drywall with the CLS timber. As you see, we are insulating the wall too. The old one was just a timber and some MDF, so it was so cold. So we used the original door, and as you see next to the door we add more CLS, so we have a stronger frame, more CLS, and on the corner we use 3 of them and 3 over there. And what we do, we are filling inside with a sound insulation, moisture and fire resistance up to 1000 Celsius, and a thermal, keep the heat. What we do, we measure them. They are actually woodrock. We measure them to the size just with a Stanley knife. That's it, they come off. You grab it like a puzzle, you fit it in the space. Like that. It's not that difficult. But when we fit the plasterboard on the top, so we keep the sound and the heat inside. That's it. It doesn't take too long. Few screws, measurement, job done. So thanks for watching. Bye.